Hello, my name is Joseph Jesquel, and this is my presentation for the Teacher Leadership Academy. For the Teacher Leadership Academy, the role that I selected was the learner role, which is a model of continuous learning in order to keep current, be a thought leader in school, and to model reflecting in practice. I will continue to update my professional repertoire through professional development, training, and pedagogy. In practice, how I intend to continue the learner role, first of all, is to maintain positive energy and constantly look for new ideas. Additionally, I will apply what I've learned through the professional development training and pedagogy. I also will seek learning opportunities that are available to me and to develop better connections through my CCC program in Cobb County. The first step in building my learner role is to build content knowledge and pedagogy. What I'm doing now is I'm currently in the process of obtaining my specialist degree in instructional technology, in which I've learned about instructional technology to improve teaching practices in virtual and face-to-face teaching, as well as I've been able to develop quality distance and face-to-face learning activities for better engagement. As we've seen this year, this seems to be the future in education. What I've been able to apply my teaching or apply to teaching that I've learned this year, first of all, I've been able to develop my interactive Bitmoji classroom for the students in my classes. I've also developed my very own YouTube channel, as we can see here. Additionally, have come up with different learning activities, such as introducing drum fitness for the students, as we see here on the left. And I've also been able to teach my students TikTok dances, which are very popular. Furthermore, I have introduced social media as a tool using Instagram to show the students, teachers, and the community what's happening in my physical education classroom. And in order to engage the students better in my teaching practices, I've come up with face-to-face and virtual competitions and challenges where the students are actually competing against each other to keep the students both engaged online and face-to-face. For social emotional support, which is extremely important this year, I created opportunities for the students during the pandemic, such as teaming up and superhero days at school, as we can see in the pictures here. I had a lot of students that have participated in that. In my specialist program, I learned about dual coding, which is where images are tied with explanations and demonstrations to help establish better understanding for the students, as we can see here with basketball and shooting. And additional opportunities for me to pursue include Gayford, Shape America, PE Universe, and Open as a way to expand on my content knowledge and pedagogy. And perhaps the most important step as a learner role is to reflect. I've learned that reflection is key in learning to understand how to improve. I know that not everything is going to go according to plan. It's okay if technology does not cooperate. Online engagement is the key, and motivational tactics are very important to keeping your students engaged in your class. Thank you very much. Have a great day.